Hello children, let's start today question number 5 of exercise 3.7. The question is, in a triangle ABC, if angle C is equal to 3 angle B is equal to 2 of angle A plus angle B, find the three angles. Children, what is given to us means these three terms are equal. So we shall name it as first, second and third term. We shall write angle C as first term, equal to 3 of angle B as second term, equal to 2 of angle A plus angle B as third term. Now we shall divide this question in two parts, case 1 and case 2. In case 1 we shall take first and second term only. In case second we shall take second and third term. Fine. So in case 1, taking first and second term, angle C is equal to 3 angle B. This is our equation number 1. In case second, we shall take second and third term. Second term is 3 angle B equal to third term is 2 of angle A plus angle B. Now children, 3 angle B is equal to 2 outside the bracket will be multiplied by each and every term inside the bracket. So it will become 2 angle A plus 2 angle B. Now in step third children, 2 angle B and 3 angle B. 3 angle B is on the left hand side and 2 angle B is on the right hand side. Both are the like terms. So we shall shift 2 angle B from right hand side to left hand side and it will be converted into minus 2 angle B. So we are left with 3 angle B minus 2 angle B is equal to 2 angle A on the right hand side as it is. Now children, 3 angle B minus 2 angle B can be solved. 3 minus 2 is 1 angle B. There is no need to write 1. So angle B is equal to 2 angle A. This is our equation number 2. Now children, after this we shall apply angle sum property of triangle. According to angle sum property of a triangle, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we in this triangle we have three angles. You can see in the figure angle A, angle B and angle C. So we shall apply angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now children, we shall replace the terms angle A as it is plus angle B will be replaced by 2 angle A, because from equation 2 angle B is equal to 2 angle A. So हम angle B को replace कर देंगे 2 angle A से, plus angle C. Angle C from 1, equation number 1, angle C is equal to 3 angle B. So in this equation angle C को हम replace कर देंगे 3 angle B से, is equal to 180 as it is in the bracket. I will write the reason from 1 and from equations 1 and 2. Now children, I will solve it. Angle A plus 2 angle A will be 3 angle A plus 3 angle B is equal to 180 degree. In next step children, 3 angle A as it is plus 3 angle B. Angle B को I will replace again with 2 angle A from equation number 2. We proved in equation number 2 angle B is equal to 2 angle A. So हम B के place पर लिख देंगे 2 angle A and 3 outside the bracket as it is equal to 180 degree. In next step children, 3 angle A as it is plus 3 into 2 will be 6 angle A is equal to 180 degree. Now 3 angle A plus 6 angle A will be 9 angle A is equal to 180 degree. Now children, 9 from left hand side will be shifted to right hand side and will be converted into division. So we will get angle A is equal to 180 by 9. After dividing 180 by 9, we shall get 20 degree. So angle A की value आ जाएगी, angle A is equal to 20 degree. Now we need to find value of angle B and angle C. So I will put the value of angle A is equal to 20 degree in equation number 2. Equation 2 was angle B is equal to angle A. It was our equation number 2. In this equation, I will put the value of angle A. Angle B as it is equal to 2 into angle A. Angle A के place पर I will put its value 20 degree. So angle B की value आ जाएगी 2 into 20, that is 40 degree. I have found angle A as well as angle B. Now I will find the value of angle C. To find the value of angle C, I will put angle B is equal to 40 degree in equation number 1. Equation 1 was angle C is equal to 3 angle B. Angle C as it is equal to 3 angle B means 3 of angle B or 3 into angle B. So 3 into angle B के place पर I will put 40 degree, that is the value of angle B. So I will get angle C is equal to 3 into 40 degree, that is 120 degree. So students, I have found all the values. Angle A is equal to 20 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle C is equal to 120 degree. I can check, I will add the values of all these angles. 20 plus 40 plus 120 degree, answer is 180 degree. So our solution is absolutely correct.